San Antonio, Texas, has a rich history, vibrant culture, and a variety of traditions that contribute to its unique identity. Here's an overview of San Antonio's history, culture, and traditions. History. 1. Spanish colonial influence. San Antonio was founded as a Spanish mission and colonial outpost in 1718. 1. The most famous mission in the city is the Alamo, which played a significant role in the Texas Revolution in 1836. 2. Battle of the Alamo. The Battle of the Alamo, where a small group of Texans defended the Alamo against a larger Mexican force, is a pivotal event in Texas history. 2. It has become a symbol of bravery and sacrifice. 3. Mexican influence. After Texas gained independence from Mexico, San Antonio became part of the Republic of Texas and later joined the United States. 3. The Mexican influence is still evident in the city's culture and cuisine. Culture. 1. Hispanic heritage. San Antonio has a strong Hispanic influence, and Mexican-American culture is deeply embedded in the city. 1. Festivals, music, art, and cuisine reflect the vibrant Hispanic heritage. 2. Tex-Mex cuisine. San Antonio is famous for its Tex-Mex cuisine, a fusion of Mexican and Texan flavors. 2. Dishes like enchiladas, tamales, and tacos are popular, often accompanied by margaritas and salsa music. 3. Festivals. San Antonio hosts several annual festivals that celebrate its culture and traditions. 3. The Fiesta San Antonio is a 10-day citywide festival featuring parades, music, food, and colorful events. 3. The event attracts visitors from around the world. 4. Music and dance. San Antonio has a thriving music scene, with a strong emphasis on traditional Mexican and Tejano music. 4. Mariachi bands, conjunto music, and folk dances like the flamenco are part of the local cultural fabric. Traditions. 1. Riverwalk. The San Antonio Riverwalk is a popular tradition and a major tourist attraction. 1. The scenic pedestrian walkway along the San Antonio River is lined with shops, restaurants, and beautiful scenery. 2. Day of the Dead. San Antonio celebrates the Day of the Dead, Dia de los Muertos, with elaborate altars, parades, and cultural events. 2. This tradition honors and remembers loved ones who have passed away. 3. Spurs basketball. The San Antonio Spurs, a professional basketball team, is an integral part of the city's identity. 3. The team has won multiple championships and has a dedicated fan base. The people of San Antonio, Texas, have a diverse and vibrant lifestyle that reflects the city's rich cultural heritage and modern influences. Here are some aspects of the lifestyle in San Antonio. 1. Relaxed and friendly. San Antonians are known for their warm and friendly nature. 1. The city has a laid-back atmosphere, and people generally exhibit a welcoming and hospitable attitude towards others. 2. Family-oriented. Family plays a central role in the lives of many San Antonians. 2. Family ties and traditions are often highly valued, and family gatherings and celebrations are common. 3. Outdoor activities. San Antonio's warm climate and natural beauty encourage an active outdoor lifestyle. 3. People enjoy activities such as walking, jogging, cycling, and picnicking in the city's numerous parks, including the popular Brackenridge Park and the San Antonio Riverwalk. 4. Cultural appreciation. San Antonio has a strong appreciation for its rich cultural heritage. 4. Residents often engage in cultural activities, including visiting museums, attending theater performances, and participating in festivals that showcase the city's diverse traditions. 5. Food and cuisine. San Antonio is renowned for its food culture, particularly Tex-Mex cuisine. 5. Dining out and exploring local eateries are popular pastimes, with residents enjoying dishes like breakfast tacos, barbacoa, and the famous San Antonio-style puffy tacos. 6. Sports enthusiasm. Sports, particularly basketball and football, are an integral part of San Antonio's lifestyle. 6. The San Antonio Spurs, NBA, and San Antonio FC, USL Championship, have dedicated fan bases, and attending games and supporting the local teams is a common leisure activity. 7. Festivals and events. San Antonio hosts various festivals and events throughout the year that celebrate the city's culture, history, and traditions. 7. Fiesta San Antonio, with its parades, live music, and vibrant atmosphere, is one of the most significant and highly anticipated events. 8. Strong sense of community. San Antonio has a close-knit community feel, with residents often engaging in volunteer work, neighborhood associations, and local initiatives. 8. There is a sense of pride in the city and a desire